Okay, this is a brief tutorial about the MaNGA Portal developed by Linea. I'll describe a few functions of the portal. On the left there is a link to the homepage. In About you can find information about this portal and the institutions involved. Let's come back to home. There is also a link to the tutorials which we are populating with videos and the instruction to download a single mega cube or a list of mega cubes. Also, there is a link to contact people in charge of development and maintenance of the portal. You may also report issues and things like this, sending an email to helpdesk@linea.org.br. On the right there are links to Linea's media, YouTube channel, Twitter, and the GitHub page of the project. The first step to access the mega cubes is clicking on the IFU viewer. The screen is then split into a list with all the mega cubes on the left and a few plots on the right. All of the 10,000 cubes are there and you can access them in 103 pages available. You may also download the download mean property files to inspect the results with all the mega cubes there. On the left there are also a search button where you can list or filter the properties of the target you want to select. Clicking on the left of the panel on the right shows the light of the galaxy on top with an image of the galaxy on the bottom. Click on Explorer and you'll go to a secondary page where you can inspect specific layers of the galaxy. Yes. For instance, the extinction, the star formation rate, number 1, and etc. You can also plot the contours of the galaxy. Let's say that we want to see the star formation rate with the contours on the extinction. More information about these layers are in the grid that we will see soon. You can also see the features of the galaxy in this part of the page. You can jump to a specific feature like a video. If you click on a specific position, the panel on the right shows, after a few seconds, the observed spectra along with the synthetic spectra. The observed spectra is in blue and the synthetic spectra is in red, and the emission lines are red dotted. You can also zoom to see a detail of the spectra, and you can use this panel to increase the zoom, to pan or etc. Okay. Below, the vectors about the stellar population are seen on the left, and the binary population vectors on the right take into account the mass and the light of the galaxies. You can also go back to the previous page. You can also download the mega cube with all the features about this galaxy and also see the header of the FITS file. On the top right, you can select if you want to see all the features of the galaxy in the same page as a grid, or inspect as a single feature, as we were seeing before. There is a brief description about each feature in the subtitle, but you can find more information in the paper cited in the description of the home page. Okay, enjoy these features. We will be very happy if you contact us with suggestions or any possible issue. Thank you.